Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can set up speech features on Windows 11. So there is a speech feature on Windows 11 that you can set up, you can configure. You can click start and click settings. Next you can click a time and language. Here there is speech option or speech feature that you can try to set up. Speech language, speech recognition, microphone setup, and voices. Here we go. You can choose the primary language you speak, manage voices for your device and apps, and set up your microphone. So, speech language, I choose a United States. This is the default. And if you click this, Windows will recognize non-native accent for this language. Microphone, you can set up your mic first before you try to record or speech. Voices, you can choose voice. There are 4. Default is 3, but I download Indonesian pack. You can set up the voice speed, and you can preview the voice here.
Microsoft mark as the default voice.
And you can add more voices. And this is installed voice package on my Windows 11. Feel free to try to set up speech, configure your speech feature on Windows 11. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.